Welcome to BRS Software, Beyond the Numbers. Discover the essential step your business needs for modern growth. This is the story of moving beyond the limitations of old software. For years, relying on basic accounting software was seemingly enough. But business has changed dramatically. The business owner stares at multiple screens: Excel, accounting software, and paper invoices, all disconnected and causing anxiety. Inventory shelves are overstocked in one aisle, empty in another. Disjointed systems lead to frustrated customers walking out. What is the hidden cost of staying put with outdated systems? Wasted capital, missed sales, and manual errors mean profit is quietly slipping away. Every manual step, every double entry, and every delayed shipment chips away at your bottom line. Now imagine a solution that transforms this chaos into clarity. Screens merge into one vibrant, real-time dashboard. A single action updates inventory, sales, and accounting instantly. ERP connects everything. It's the engine for modern growth, giving you total control, automation, and real-time insight. And the old objections? Gone. Today's ERP is affordable, simple, and powerful. Anyone can learn it. You've reached a critical crossroads for your business. On one side, the gray, slow, isolated departments of old accounting software. On the other, the colorful, connected, fluid operations of BRS ERP. You have a choice: record the past or manage your present and decisively build your future. Watch diverse businesses thrive when empowered by BRS software. From retail and distribution to manufacturing, BRS delivers comprehensive support. BRS software, modern ERP, built for real businesses, powerful, cost-effective, and surprisingly simple. The step forward your business deserves. Move beyond accounting software. Contact us today and build for success.